to identify genius, I told y'all 3 components, right? If you were listening, those 3 components are passion, talent, and purpose. And I'm here to tell you, if you can identify each of these 3 things in your life, you can identify and begin to unlock your genius. If you're not, as business owners, a lot of you are already operating in it. I guarantee you. All right? I'm going to kind of short tell this. Your purpose in life is to discover what your talent is and apply it to your passion. We'll talk a little bit more about it momentarily. Y'all still with me?
Yes.
All right. So, what words come to mind when you hear the word? I'll take a couple answers for this one. What words come to mind when you hear this word passion? Enthusiasm. Who said that? Markel. Thank you. Commitment. All right. What else? Marcy, love. Thank you, Marcy. Anything else? All right. Because my time is limited. I'm glad that Marcy was the last one to say love, because this is the #1 answer, right? Love is the passion, where Einstein is the genius. Everyone focuses on love, and love is cool. But for the purposes of unlocking your genius, I'm going to say save love for marriage. We're going to operate on the other end of the spectrum. When it comes to your passion, I want you to focus on what you hate. And that may seem awkward, like, what? What are we going to talk about? What are we doing? Right? I read a book by a gentleman called, gotta make sure I don't say Matthew Murdoch, because that's Daredevil. Mike Murdoch. Dang, nobody got that? Nobody follows along? Okay, the only one? All right. But it's called Mike Murdoch. It was called The Assignment. And he said, if you want to figure out this is where I got this from. He said, if you want to figure out what you've been purposed to do, figure out what's broken in the world. And there's a lot of, would y'all agree that the world is broken, first and foremost? Are we all on the same page? You look out in your window, you watch the news, it's a lot of brokenness in the world. And we're not called to fix all the brokenness in the world, but there's a particular type of brokenness that's hurt you. And that trauma, remember I said, I'm talking about trauma-informed genius. A lot of the trauma that we experience comes when we were children. This is why I look at middle schoolers and high schoolers, and that trauma we carry with us. And when we see that thing operating and hurting other people, we say stuff like, somebody should do something about that. Every time you see it, the thing that's personal to you, somebody should do something about it. You find yourself getting upset about it. And guess what? If you find yourself getting upset about it and saying that somebody should do something about it, guess who that somebody is, Will? It's you. Right? It's catching your attention for a reason. You were put on this planet for a purpose, and it is to fix that which is broken that hurts you so it doesn't hurt anybody else. That's where your genius comes out of. That. All right?